Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can clone a project in Zoho Project, your detailed guide for 2025. Let's get right into it. The first step is to log into your Zoho project. Once you're in, locate the project you want to clone. The reason we do this is to ensure that we're not making changes to the wrong project. A simple mistake here could mean a lot of unnecessary hassle later. With the correct project selected, navigate to the Settings tab. You'll find this on the top right of your screen. This is your control panel for all major project actions, including the one we're interested in today, cloning a project. Now that we're in Settings, locate and click on the Clone Project option. This helps us because it's a nifty feature that allows us to create a duplicate of the existing project, saving us the trouble of starting a new project from scratch. A dialog box will appear asking for the details of your new project. Fill in the necessary details like the project name, description, and owner. Remember, the cloned project will carry over all the tasks, milestones, and teams from the original project, but you can always modify those according to your needs. Let me explain why this matters. By cloning a project, we're essentially creating a template, and this can be a real time saver when you have similar projects in the pipeline. Once you've filled in the details, hit the Clone button, and voila! You have successfully cloned a project in Zoho Project. It's as easy as that. To wrap up, cloning a project in Zoho Project is a straightforward process that can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when you need to create multiple projects with similar structures. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, efficiency is just a click away with Zoho Project. Until next time.